Welcome, today we're going to show you how to get Pokemon Legends Z-A all working mystery gift codes. So the first thing that you need to do is to just search for the codes online. So this is the normal way that we are going to show you. So after that, as you come here, you will see the websites that will give you the codes online. But for now, I'll see from here, all the codes that you can get doesn't actually include any codes. All of it is just unique codes sent to user email. So if you purchased some DLC pack, or if you pre-ordered the game, or if you just connected the internet, also you can get a gift code depending on your birthday month. So there is no actual code that you can get online publicly right now. They may actually give you new codes online publicly, and you can find it via ChatGPT, as I already said, because this is the best method for promo codes. You can just search the promo codes that are not expired through any AI. And I'll see from here all the other codes are via DLCs, like if you bought DLC or something, you can get a unique code. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.